I bought this generac generator about 2 months ago for a price of about $800. I used it maybe 30 hours. It stopped running. It just turns off. It's the co sensor, which is this piece right here. This is it right here. But it's behind this cover like that. It's mounted to this plastic cover right here. And the only way I could figure out how to get it off was to actually break. Well, it looks like there's 2 bolts right here. I could have cut holes in it right here and right here to get the bolts out. But I didn't know that. And so it doesn't matter because I figured out how to run the generator. And it's by simply unplugging this sensor right here. You just unplug it. But there's a problem with that. You just unplug it, and then you can't turn off the actual. You can't. This button here will not turn it off. It'll run, but it won't turn it off because this sensor goes through here to right here. But if I plug this sensor up, just leave it on. Okay, so turn it off. Okay. Plugged up now. It'll turn off. Okay, the sensor is malfunctioned again. But I got something for that. I unplug it. Uh-oh. Unplug it, it runs. And it actually has a battery in it somewhere because it's not plugged up right now. So to kill it, you can turn the gas off like that. And wait a few minutes and then it'll run out of gas and die. But this button don't work without this piece right here. If there's any feedback, anybody knows which one of these wires here to jump, then I'll be glad to listen to what you got to say, and I'll try jumping them off. I'm sure that black goes to black, and red's going to be power of some sort. And this is really the best way to kill a generator is by turning the gas off, because if you don't, then the gas just sits on top of the valve and leaks down to the oil. Therefore, it's better just turn the gas off. But everybody's accustomed to just turning the off, pushing the off switch. But you really don't even need to do that. Actually, it says that I have 22 hours on here. And the generator didn't even run for 22 hours. $800 mistake, bought from Lowe's. Generac generators. They're not worth a damn, and neither is the customer service. I suggest buying some other brand and probably going to a different store besides Lowe's. Ain't that right, buddy boo-boo? Ain't that right? Tell them. Oh!